Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, unplug your Dyson SV30 from the mains to ensure safety during the process. Next, locate the ring at the base of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws securing the ring in place. There are typically 3 screws, so make sure to keep them in a safe location. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the ring off the vacuum. Now it's time to inspect the filter. The filter is usually located just beneath the ring you've just removed. Carefully pull the filter out, taking care not to damage any surrounding components. It's advisable to check the filter for any signs of wear or damage. If it appears dirty, rinse it under cold water until the water runs clear. Avoid using any detergents or soaps, as these can damage the filter. Allow it to dry completely before reinserting it into the vacuum. While you're at it, take a moment to clean the internal components of the vacuum. Use a soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help maintain the efficiency of your Dyson SV30. If you find this task too daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the help you need without any pressure. Once the filter is dry, it's time to reassemble the vacuum. Place the filter back into its designated slot, ensuring it fits snugly. Next, take the ring and align it with the base of the vacuum. Secure it in place by reinserting the screws you removed earlier. Make sure they are tightened adequately, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could damage the plastic. After reassembling, it's a good idea to give your Dyson a quick test run. Plug it back in and turn it on to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you notice any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide collection and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your vacuum serviced without the hassle of calls or travel. Finally, remember to regularly check and clean your filter every few months to maintain optimal performance. If you ever need a quote before repair, we're here to help. Keeping your Dyson SV30 in top condition will ensure it serves you well for years to come. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.